All right, people. Oh man, I'm super excited. I just checked the local area on the Google machine. Man, there's like 2 spirit stores open about 3.5 miles, 2 different directions by my work. So I am gonna go hit at least one of them today. This season, I will go ahead and hit all the spirit stores and look in this area. I think there's probably about, in the Austin area, when I looked on the list on the website, I think there's probably gonna be at least like 8 or 9 spirit stores. So I'll definitely attempt to hit all of those, because you know they'll do different setups and everything. And then I also have my Halloween theme for this year. You guys, I didn't do a theme the last couple of years, but I'm gonna do one this year, and I'm not gonna tell you guys what it is. I'm going to drop some hints in these videos, and the first person that guesses it, I'll ship you some cool Halloween stuff. How about that? So let's do a cool giveaway on guessing the theme. So, all right, let's go to the Spirit Halloween store. Oh my God! Oh people, there it is. There's the sign. What? I don't remember there ever being one over here, so this is definitely a new location. And there it is, my first one this year. Let's check it out.
It's nights like this, when the border between worlds grows thin. You never know what is lurking in the shadows, or right behind you. Stay close, and keep your limbs closer. You wouldn't want to lose any.
So we got some Chucky stuff here. They've got pretty much every theme here, as you can see, panning over. Got some Scream stuff over that way, man. And this is kind of a smaller store, but let's check it out. Got some Pennywise going on here. Pretty much everything you would need to do a Pennywise theme. And we'll look again here at the Ghostface. I'm really loving this bloody Ghostface. That's probably one of my favorites for sure. And then I want this hearse up here. I'm gonna sign up for that bad boy. Got Leatherface, we got Michael Myers. Just about anything you would need for Halloween for show. All right, so I'm having to do a voiceover here. I was just showing you guys a lot of the stuff that was at this location. Man, the music in this area of the store was so crazy. It was like pop music blaring, and I was talking about these props and everything on these aisles, but I had to do a voiceover here to cut out all the music. This store was kind of small. They still had a lot of empty shelving. You can see here there's space for more props. They said they're getting more and more stuff in, so definitely check it out. There's a buddy Chucky! What's going on, buddy? Had some cool Chucky stuff there. Had a whole area. They had a bunch of the creepy babies. Definitely they had the newer ones. And then right here on the end of the shelf, man, I am loving these horror babies. I totally want that Ghostface and the little baby Voorhees. I'm loving that horror art there. Just tons of cool stuff in this store. I would definitely go back to this store here later on in the season to see if they fill it up. But just wanted to show you guys this store. It's my first Spirit of the year. I've already gone to a second Spirit at this point. By the time of this upload, it was a huge store. So stay tuned for that one coming up. Showing you guys these t-shirts. Man, I'm going to probably get a few of these t-shirts. And you got the Killer Clown stuff here. Freddy Krueger. Jason Voorhees. I mean, everything is in this store. And I had to show these trick-or-treat bags / grocery bags. Man, I love these. I bought a bunch of these last year, and I use these when I go shopping. And here's the whole wall of fog and lighting. They had a bunch in this store. The other store that I visited.
I didn't run down every aisle, but they didn't have a big display in this one. It was just a small, like, cemetery square. They didn't have the cemetery you can go through. They didn't have the cemetery arches or any of that. So it was definitely different than a lot of the bigger stores, kind of a smaller store. But so I'm definitely excited to hit some other stores and see the different configurations, because I definitely want to see the arches. I want to see the 3D ceiling, projection, all that cool stuff. So hope you liked it. Spirit store number 1. Let's make sure we hit them all.